Hey everyone, Working Weston here. I'm going to show you how simple it is to make overnight oats. They're quick, easy, and healthy. The best part is that you can make a full week's worth of breakfast on a Sunday night. With that being said, let's get to work. What you'll need is oats and milk. Whatever oats you have, whatever milk you have. And a container to put it in. This is when you can do it for the gram. Ah, look at that beautiful glass. The ratios are easy. It's 1 to 1. I find half a cup to half a cup is the perfect amount. Put them into a container, oats followed by milk, stir it around a bit, and you're done. It's pretty bland, so I add something sweet, a splash of syrup or sugar or honey. You don't have to stir it in now. Do that when you're eating it the next day. Here's where you get to be creative. Blueberries, pineapple, peaches, whatever that is, blackberries, strawberries, raspberries, chocolate chips, nuts, yogurt, peanut butter, seeds. Bananas work pretty good, but they get kind of slimy, so eat those ones sooner. Put the lid on, and you're done. Into the fridge for the next day. Wow, look at how good that looks. Blueberries. Thanks for watching. Like if you do it for the gram, and subscribe if you'd like me to succeed in life. You can also find my live streams on Twitch at Working Weston. With that being said, I need to get back to work.